Hello guys, as you can see we are running staircase automation lighting here on this step. As you can see the tiles, though here they use marble anyway, had already been installed. So the client saw it and felt like he needed to. So if you look very well, you realize that our profile has been installed already. And if I don't show you from this video, if I put the camera like this, you won't notice if there's something like profile here. So this is it. So, and this staircase here is a little bit curved. It's not just straight like this first one. It is curved and it's kind of hard anyway. So we are still installing the profile. Just wait for it. And most of you will be wondering, I hope the thing will not pull out. And if you look very well, you see my leg is on it. It will not pull out. So this is it. It's very strong. So yes, just wait. I'm still installing it. So guys, as you can see, this staircase here had already been done. The tiling had been done already. So our client saw it, our work online, felt like he needs to install this kind of lighting system, this automation lighting system on his staircase. But the problem he has is he had already done tiling. He had already installed tiling. I said no problem. So I came and I saw it, and this is it. So if you look very well, the profile is different from the staircase profile we have from this. So if you look carefully, you realize that we use gum to seal it here. So if I don't tell you how this is done, you won't know if there is something like this here. I don't know if you can see it clearly on this video. You can't dictate if there is a profile installed here. So the job is properly done. So now look at it. The surface is just like a tiling one. And now look at it, very free. So there's always someone can pull it out, and it is very, very strong. Very, very strong. So there's no possible way you can step on it and it tends to pull down. So this is it. You cannot properly done it. Look at it. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So now look at it. Look very well. The profile had been installed already. So now most of you will be wondering, I hope this thing will not pull out. Now look at it. It's very strong. It's very strong. So it's very, very strong. No matter what, even if you step your foot on it, it will not pull out. So even if your staircase has already been, even if tiles had already been installed on your staircase, you can still install this lighting system, this automation lighting system. So the only difference between the staircase that tiles have not been installed and the staircase that tiles have been installed is this projection here. So unlike the one that had not been installed, we'll just put the profile inside this opening here, this edge. This angle will not be, you will not see it. But this one here, this is just the difference. Apart from that, so you can go with it. Now look at it from the beginning to the end. Now this is how the wiring is done. See how neat and properly done. Look how neat it is. And it's properly done. And look at it. See how beautiful it is. So from the beginning to the end. So I deliberately switch it off manually for the purpose of this video. So if I start moving, the light will on. So this is it. Now it's moving. See how beautiful it is. So just call out to install it for you. Juan Bosco Electrical Solution with the best. It's off.